What if I told you that AI could make you a millionaire in 2025? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. People just like you are already cashing in. Not tomorrow, not next year, right now. The question is, will you be next? Or will you just watch from the sidelines? Imagine waking up to money made while you sleep. iTools running your business, 24/7. No employees. No headaches. Just pure, automated income. And today, I'm breaking down the 10 AI business ideas that could make you rich in 2025. These are not, maybe, ideas. These are real. They're happening. And you can grab them before everyone else does. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100 in a single day. Let's get into it. iBusiness idea number 1. AI content agency. Imagine offering blog posts, scripts, or social media captions. But instead of spending hours writing, AI does 90% of the work. Clients pay you, you deliver fast, and you keep the profit. Simple, scalable, powerful. iBusiness idea number 2. AI chatbot services. Businesses need 24/7 customer support. But they hate paying salaries. You can set up an AI chatbot, train it once, and charge them monthly. Think about it. Even 10 clients paying $500 each, that's $5,000 recurring. iBusiness idea number 3. AI video creation. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels. Everyone needs video. You don't even need a camera. iTools create the scripts, the voice, the visuals. All you do is publish. People are already making thousands with faceless channels. Why not you? Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Let's keep going. iBusiness idea number 4. AI personalization services. E-commerce stores crave personalization. Customers want, just for me, recommendations. I can analyze buyer behavior, and you can sell that service. Stores pay you. You set it up once. Money keeps flowing. iBusiness idea number 5. AI copywriting. Sales copy. Emails. Ads. All powered by AI. Businesses need words that sell. And AI helps you deliver fast. You charge premium. They pay happily. iBusiness idea number 6. AI tutoring. Students are using AI to study smarter. You can build AI-powered tutoring platforms. Or offer personal AI-guided lessons. Parents will pay. Students will learn faster. Win-win. iBusiness idea number 7. AI fitness and AMP, nutrition coaching. No, you don't need to be a trainer. I generates custom workout plans. I builds personalized diets. You just package and sell. Subscription-based. Imagine hundreds of people paying $20 a month. That's real cash flow. iBusiness idea number 8. AI real estate leads. Realtors need leads. I can find buyers and sellers. You provide the data. They pay big. Because one client could mean a $10,000 commission for them. iBusiness idea number 9. AI resume and AMP, career services. Job seekers are desperate to stand out. I can build powerful resumes. Optimize LinkedIn profiles. Even write cover letters. You offer packages. They land jobs. You land profit. And finally, AI business idea number 10. AI course creation. Take knowledge. Turn it into structured lessons. I build slides. I create scripts. I voices narrate. Sell the course once. Get paid over and over again. That's digital gold. Now, which of these ideas spoke to you the most? The agency? The chatbot? The faceless YouTube channel? Comment below with your favorite. And remember, you don't need to master all 10. Just pick one. Go deep. Scale it. And watch your income explode. Before we wrap up, let me show you the exact tool that made me $100 in a day. No product. No ads. No crazy skills. Just AI doing the heavy lifting. The tool is simple. You type an idea. It creates full video content. Then you upload it. And boom. Revenue starts rolling in. I tested it. I made $100 on the first try. And you can too. That's the power of AI. This is why I say, don't wait. The people who act now will own the future. Everyone else will just be consumers. Which side do you want to be on? Because 2025 is here. And AI is not waiting. Every month you wait is money left on the table. Money someone else is taking. While you sit back. Don't let that happen. Like this video if you got value. And subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, quick recap. 10 AI business ideas. Content agency. Chatbots. Video creation. Personalization. Copywriting. Tutoring. Fitness and nutrition. Real estate leads. Resume services. Course creation. Each one can be scaled. Each one can be automated. And each one can make you serious money. If you take action. And now, imagine yourself 1 year from today. Do you want to look back and say, wow, I started my AI business. I'm earning, I'm free, I'm ahead. Or do you want to say, I wish I started back then? The choice is yours. But remember this, the future doesn't wait. The market doesn't wait. And AI doesn't wait. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Right now. So here's your next step. Pick one idea. Write it down. Find the AI tool that supports it. Test it for 7 days. Then scale. Don't overthink. Don't overcomplicate. Start simple. Start today. Because the small moves now lead to big rewards later. That's how fortunes are made. Not with waiting, but with action. And if you want more AI tools, tricks, and business ideas, stay tuned. Because I drop these AI money-making tools every week. Subscribe. Click the bell. And be the first to know. That way you'll always stay ahead. And never miss a game-changing opportunity. Remember, tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. I'll see you there. Until then, take action. Stay focused. And let AI work for you. Because the future belongs to the doers. Not the watchers. Not the doubters. But the action takers. And that's you. You're here. You're learning. You're ready. Now execute. The millionaire future you want is waiting on the other side of this decision. The decision to act. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt slow you down. Because the world is shifting fast. And AI is leading the way. Use it. Master it. Profit from it. And live the life you deserve. This is your moment. Don't waste it. Don't scroll past it. Take it. own it, and crush it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, subscribe now. Smash the bell button. And let's win together. Because your millionaire journey starts today. Let's go.